se wo fra obidum bie o fra ka say Mmpa so Nkomo ni ajeso eye de adia ana say o kan eye de adia na ka Mmpa so Nkomo ai tie na tie ni yie ye nchia no eno no ene mini mabedwafo asan tenase Wednesday no ni ye no ye betoaso ye ba betoaso ene mre no ebiti ye nkakra nenso yaba no na yaba ai eno nti men say mre no mabedwani ba ko wa ha aye fre no Miss Gundat mwa wani tia deda obroni ba ko pe da ye ntem oba ho fefo ende ene ne be hyasie ansa omo maka aba ene nti sibre na tenase enchim wafidie no emfichies na ene nso anwanwade kese ana obeti ewo wawariem ene wo mpna twem yo hello
dia
Mmpa so Nkomo dia Mmpa so Nkomo
satem na me derof
dia
Mmpa so Nkomo
wow ene tia se me Akosua A.K
wo di asembe bagana
oh
wo di abakra
me dia bo
hwe
wo
da wonni mutra
se wa do number 2 wa ene tia o mama na ya ohu
asam na dia ba na
abruso
ba ye penasa
but pese ebe konso travel all over the world.
Yes, you look good.
Thank you very much.
I like your dress. You look good in green.
Oh, that's my favorite color, you know.
You look good in it.
And you're also looking sexy.
I try.
Well, if you say honeymoon nankasa okwa nankasa wa hye that. It's ya ho fe na ye different altogether.
Honeymoon dey we jai.
Hey, me say. What mean ja honeymoon no?
Insurance ka me ma no mo ye papa for no wa bonten.
Ampa o.
Ya me insure mo.
Fitting dra. They sure say fitting dra na je bi mo dia kopoma na musu di o.
The good men.
Jeez.
What sorry if you got to be who ya.
Oh whoa.
Like you just have to fuck it.
Oh. Hey. Yo. Obapa.
Odo you.
Mo wakwaba.
Ejo so a yin ya. Bibi abokode.
Na mi adom na so e.
Adom cry you me ben there. It's
it
another Saturday. We are here to do what we do best.
Yes.
Now every day I get excited. I do Saturday, Wednesdays. I'm a whole essential. Me say at least let's come here and we both learn from each other. You know, it is so your relationship. You know, you're spicing it up. Now our team team send you say team.
Sure.
Because obi no person call into relationship or marriage is now you're who is soon a money and to Cheka, wait, come here, some JB and Debbie. We don't want that.
We don't want it.
Whatever we can do to help. And then Aja will soon when they try
kakra so they be
at least we get good news. Honestly, we get good news sometimes.
Yeah.
So yeah.
But for nya bre, it's nasi, it's ye papa because we are doing our best for them.
We're trying. We thank God.
Yo, ede radia se. Yaba ne yaba.
Yaba.
Ane.
Ede
adia Mmpa so Nkomo. Hey. Yo, me pacho wo. You see yaba ne yaba. I want you to talk something about like cheating. Yen can be ewo. I know say me ni mo kakre, we obi a cheating ya de bi atwa won so mo pa.
I hate it.
Anna, say no. Even if you are being faithful to a partner,
na
yasem because cheating not does so. Like, but they will pretend to be okay with you.
Yeah.
I want you to talk something about it. Not saying it. If you hear me, who's a Mmpa? Cheating on me. Is it good for me to also like me for the chisabiana?
That's it. Thank you for this opportunity. The production team, I say. And Pastor Conga, like Nkomo sponsor you or more try at least Jumana and Nkomo. We thank everybody and thank you for your listeners and viewers for tuning in every Saturday. Share AK. I ask myself, why do you I didn't know catch oba se mepem and I say ubewo relationship mu na say me fa oba na chi and me fa be manichi what is out there at the end I will share maybe they be make say cheating is a decision making obi ntimi nche me say my family could echi and my family reach obonsam na aye me there be me wo be biara wonnim ne every human being on this earth before you do something wo ye Jimmy for sebe wo ye Jimmy for say krompo na before betu anamo bi no wo dwen ho ansa wutu sanamo no say wakwa abonten ne wo hu obai then they push you say wo nkonko chiti wo girls ana wo kunu ana wo yere so wo hu ne to ahyehye o kwado wo nofo ne nofo ya wo fe wo kwado agay de kala ye me fe tuntum broni you've thought about it before you are making a decision to go and do what cheat. Now we make a decision when so you will fear. And that's a one will fear. Now so say generation na your woman or my cheating so common and okay say or be make us ye the member the son etio. Ye the na son na me boy.
Just say someone can just go and have sex or not buy a doll or not dairy but who so or pretending like everything is okay.
Sani pa no ye born some.
Jeez.
What about so one shower so like one if you don't refrain yourself say Charlie I have self-respect and I'm yankasa me was self-discipline. Obekasi me so me pese me ye bibi na me be man e hye be man because so what na mostly I'm not being biased here but ya ba so say listen before ba betu anamo so ofa be machi. I just wo form wa tolerate niema be man atwa be pa acha wa atwa be pa acha ama na tra no and so make decisions so movie meaning say you ma bi omo yefun and they are on the little thing they can cheat but it's hardly to see a girl say I am faithful with this man me person me be my bobra me person me be my tana obey ne hu jimi say odo mani pejimi most girls are in such situations or the insertion in the from no te wo say me ne be my ne be bobra on for ne cheat da I know somebody I am sorry to say this. Just yesterday, me call me Mmpa ho. Na down for girl. Edi na down for ne girlfriend. Edi assemble too many penim. Them one and almost 3 years or 4 years. They've been together. There is another woman in the picture. And the girlfriend who said there is another woman there. Now so boy it me deny. We are simu denying now. The girl went in and met the lady in the room. So on Obofour frustra ho. Oma oba ni jina gate echi.
Wow.
APA beton say hey was like, are you serious? I want to enter. Or say my busy. Then the other girl to want to know
the
like
person
her presence to be known. And so also started to do for the girl outside to know that there is a woman inside. Or Bema they be on in a tio 3 solid years. Or Jimmy know their channel. Or the patch or know their channel. Or because of baby mentioned that minimum know their channel. Or bad just or bad on a boy. But I always say, listen, don't give that second chances to men that don't regard you. So listen, there are limitations to things they do. You say any time. You. Sure. Because of that respect for you. Let me use because some crap, but let me say it's better. Obi the best you say we need him. Sure. Obi also the obey pay on fan say we on suma ye. Some people I say they are chronic womanizers. Oh yeah, what she wants. Some men man or baba konso no. Oh yeah den. Obofour which and there are men too that are there. Obetima won say yeah man so yetimi temte men. Sure. Oba betima be man say guy hu ye me phone so boy. Obet yeah whatever men so they are easy to get. Me dey be me can say men are the most cheapest people. Ope be man say sia wo benya. O dey test be man can say I'm honey. I want to see you or he will run to you. Obedi wa no pepe akwa girl wa kwa kasi me come down for boy ho. But there are few men that you find that are not what it like. Oh, remember, or it's just few. Now, so you're one woman, one man kind of person. Or you're baba or you okay? Oh, you okay? Yeah. But 70% of the men that we have in this world, they like to cheat, and then number brutalizing and say, "Real men, that is how we are. That is how you are. How?" And then I'll be catch up. I say, "Me done. I want to live with you. I want to stay with you. I want to be person me no bra. Or remember, baby, or home, my worry, or my girlfriends crossing 10. I was asking so." They will use the bias and say, yeah, mema dear, aja ye be anything. Sana nyame boy, yeah, mema sometimes, you know, mema de befa wechi, but although one or do, or respect you, but we anything, or befa wechi. No, it's not supposed to be like that. Cheating your decision that you make. before you be fa wo ye la chi na be fa wo ye rechi wa wonim ne wo ye nti wo ye ne sa ye den wo ye ne sa ye den you cheat a girl and then ubet na be papa wano say wo nya hwe ye some men can deny a man be so meti ma deny in relationship
this that ma me ni ma hwefo yin kas na me mo nya we say omontie ne Miss Gundat ye den e ka no mejidi say omontina se boko because ne wo ka no you are really making sense obema bi wo hono ma opese ono so onim condom yusu
dabi
bema bi wo hono ma onim ne ye me ya no onim condom yusu sleeping with all sorts of girls odi wey na wedi wey like who does that?
No, wa be ka na be ka say I am not me my problem is say listen so we be cheat two person we yet say we be man you cheat listen do the needful protect yourself
yes
and kwotete ya reboni oba odi ne nsa ema no so sa and kwotete ya reboni betale be ma waso nso ne ho person ne unless we ni ma dream say ye nyina ye
ye di ye ho
odi ho obetimi open nkofo wo mo open relationship no okoshia oba o feeling na wona ne beda okoshia be mo ne feeling ne bebo bra mo be nante mo hia mo be hia mo hia that's an open relationship ntiase wom but embedada obi ba embedada obi be ma obi babawa se me do me mpa wechi me pese me na wo bobra na nipa ne de nsa okay what trust we won say trust na ekum bibia no when the person find out later na abubu no bebre emma bebre bodam emma bebre bodam out of this thing called cheating because we trusting the pana ma we trust obana ma we trust be mana we ni bibia she obani mu we ni bibia she be mani mu until the moment we find out any obia so let me stand there say okay let's go our separate ways
sure.
Only what we dey na adua to so the bibia to so until we hu san it damages the person bebre ontimi handler e be fa ni trim
yeah
bebre nam ho mo obe make a decision say papa nya hwa boni nya hwa de ne ho kobo ashawofu because obema disappointing or bad disappointing until chalo the niti shim sa so it has complications to this cheating thing e dey na ye fese one na oba ba one na be ma ba kona na netina na ne bobra e twa na wa abonte no eni bia na tare oba no kote na wa abonte eni bia na tare be ma no e dey yanko e ye no fo na na say e ye to na na say ye kala na na e ye dey it all bounce back to say sometimes we beka say oh send your ban treat me wa bonten o me yemi do yemi k wo fie me kunu yemi hey wo fie na so akwa bonten ma obi bia ni so atcha me woni me kasa nicely listen so we person making that decision me I'm against cheating if you think so be wa bonten and on that audience or treat you nicely
on my attention
opener then the person you are with
just leave the person.
And then go out there and be where you feel like we need you. But any will be bantana, any will be a branch will be about one tina, and that dana, and I say, catch and say, Mina what me do, Mino never bobra. No one number one thing would do, say, Obi area and Tron to the Moma so. Yarewa will be in Tron to me, we is, me were candidiasis, me were dear, there be in Tron to we won't bash a pair, na yaration. Would ya corner bonny one day, never caught it. Now if you would have carry or ban if you're doing home, there is nothing outside. She near one thing. Again a woho. A channel wolf in and one a woho. So what shall we return yada? Manon share a pepper, so is a cacadro, often so she on one. No, the trouble the no infection will come there. What are you looking for? Or banning CSC and one, Shren Biddle, I like you in this. I like you wearing this. I like Toby Mano. Bemba ne ho onim ne ho asiesia hye ne say
no say dem be ho no ma wo ba no sumi you twa so nwima o
yeah I mean he like chef pussy open a twa so ye tro into catch na wa wontimi hye bi odo we na for bet hye bi ama why not because no one dey na no kobom ono na dey no kwate ko hye ho into obey ama not because that's how we like it but we be ho or the small the slightest opportunity obenya wo ba ho no definichi because my catch won siesie ho onya ho abotro so obecha into obefa we chi akọ. There is nothing out there. She knew when you want surgery 2 years omukoyi. Surgery no for mukoyi. And if the natural ones no natural one now walk about to fan no so will be. Or child so you okay, say okay, let's be together. You are lying to each other. Because you walk fan no so will be. We na wo fie na won so wo panichi no. Ono so wo eyesika say e yankwase asem. Find your partner and stay together. etwa bi mbo twa bi so ho
yo Miss Gundat me da sipa ya da siankasa wakasa ankasa hey mema ne ma ye bre o yo adofo ya bra wa belande enu nti no ye mana kwaba ore wu fresh yo ye ma wakwaba say we play na shadan landen tem no odile kakra
Esituntum pe ba onam na mbre
oba ne den oba ne den
na metiase ena ya hwefo ni etiefo nti ye nya de e beji a wo me e be ma agin se de on person motini ade bi on person mu no e be provide am mo nto mo nkoso no mo nso mo mbre
no mo hwe
no mo ntie
ye da se yo oba ye ni ye ka cheating ho asem emma omo cheating na mma so a omo cheating na me was story bi pese me nka sa story no na kire me say sa relationship no nani ma ebe last year na fi say me fa me ho nya example me Akosua A.K na me ne wo fresh ye twempna empna mu odin na say wa frɛ me wo phone so me ne wo kasa me say o me ni kum me kwa akoda no na wo ba me fie o frɛ me sit o me ni kum me kwa akoda ti yenye na ochena na o see you what within few we na me ne wo kasa wie no me pie fi me gate mu akɔhye gate fufrom akɔ efie fufrom ama ya lucky gate no one ti ase wadwe ye o se bia me kɔgye ade na ye den aba utumi tena abonten ema me kɔ hokɔdaye ema ade ye kyenye me ne wuni asem o me ne wo mpna twemu emu odin na me pie ba ya anopa no una wo anim ni wakɔ aya oyade wakwa asan ba ye pa me chow me amafum no wasama be pa me chow say yentina eti wo hwa sa relationship we ebe last year na last
Agozia
yes dear
ewi asi we kan de bia me kase se won ware obi na wona na twempna mpna twen na motwe sampna twen no empenivo bu be se o hye dem a ena ye odia
sure
opia onini ni asem ndide bia me kan ba so ye nkofo bia moment a be use that word na ma no o se wondo no anytime you be ka den o me de once I am worry and kwa de mintumi from akoma nyina den ma nti ye manage kopim time ye worry dia any o se oba se wondo no indihwe edie na beba se be ma woni ne wo assembliancy woni ni ntim
sure
na wut oba wo odu ebia ye mfanze one freo ena oba eno nye intu ka chense wada nka wada nke no ano ba ogina do nanim eno hu se wo pie firi wo fie ekowura anada next house o akwatena o enye se okowura o second oba wada ma de achi sebi de bia me kase endemba mbrante na ya ba no me de mi tu omofo onware nimpa na
dada
me mfo wani nto wo renhye ni mu se wo ye bema ana wo ye oba na oni obi twempna na se nye se ebia aware ewum makoye knocking makoje list bi na mo ko a onware nimpa na me mfo wa adwin nyina den ma no woni amejo no
okay se sia no sa issue we ema me hu ne say relationship we ankasa is going to be very difficult because no matter what no se nipa no ne tena edu baby kra obema wa ya we se wakobo adwaman pam na ye den achew
there is no trust in that relationship there is no communication she bibi ani ho say papa bi wo relationship all the way ni better so
because sa story we are making obi story said the obema na tumi atena abonten watena sifite bia se 9 o'clock o watena ma ade a chene so we awe ko twe ko ba yina no otim na we pia ba upie ba ye no ohwe we ni otumu se pain ye den e wona kuma mama me ye hwese okuta bibi kro betumi da ye den awo but oso na kuma mu to the extent say mako we twanabo o twa ne bo akọ onu su ko ni fie o de reho onu asa twa ne ho asa ba o ha be pa o cho say bibia enye hwe
enka bibia nka
enka this relationship still I feel say in kola na mo be wo na be sofa because se sa same way obi na no ka che na busuafo a one ye wo akola akra to ko ka say wo ma me kwa adwaman wo ma me kwa like akola ne be bre it me who said this relationship won't hold it's not going to hold okay me busa prophet bless fresh say ni dinu kura say asena afofo ma adwan mama ye confused yo minim say owo bebre say o ka to aso obe kan to aso and then so question no we are dealing with cheating we are dealing with faithfulness it's Miss Gundat is being faithful hard or natural?
Oh, okay.
Being faithful, no, is it hard or natural?
A DNA hard about being faithful. It's a choice. Again, like what you say, many bema bako betana. Me mo be from fan home kame. Me mo bema from so me mo. Me pa matention ma bema for. Me ma bema for ni men. What is so hard about? It's a decision that you have to make. Obi obeka se mempe nkosi abu mempe so bibi bu me kosi ya me ntimi trust be ma ai e dia emebri me betena be ma ba ko ho me nya se adwuma no nti ono onye there is nothing difficult about being faithful. I keep saying it always go back to man na mo bu omo ho enough oba na obu no ho enough ofele say ene obia na should have access to her. And says so be an ebenya obeka say oh minim gay you say gay you win no oh try gay dey see easy obokwa no say sia obenya no. Some girls don't want their name to be attached to that rubbish.
Yeah.
And so we're making a decision say so only what them mob bra enko nanim a on ha ne ho so okopofo. Listen, I keep saying what is nice, what is so nice say woni bema ete muye bibia bom mo ko bibia bom mo sorry a obi anim you guys together ye mfa wodin attach to anything called bibia ye time bia say gay ne boy ni o boy ni girl ni o woni asimasi de na se ne mpana before ba yetu na we what sense is ade ni munyam ne tare sa kasa no ho ade na ye fese woni obi nam woni obi te Mummy, no pay everything together. You have plans. What the Mmpa back in relationship? What is so nice about this? What is so hard to be faithful? I just want kasa wase. I just want kasa wase kwatia back wumpe. A try back won't mean to not try back home. There are people that naturally like that. They can't stay with one person.
Sure.
They want to explore. Or person of obinsu or nya ba back wa okay. Or nya bema back wa okay. Such a person who can't say faithfulness anything. It's an easy thing for him or her to do because or you're okay with one human being. Or now, or no one a baby bra, or no baby bia asa. But when you have a problem of staying with one human being, you won't trust him to be able to win in Shaswa and I said, if you don't have that, it's difficult for you to be faithful. That is when who will be a or be my beer or baby so be or bad or who be open. This guy is hot. Gay, gay is. It's not easy for such a person to make a decision to be with one woman. Decision making anything because who Akosua A.K na fe, who abena na fe. Oba nso kodwa die o TikTok, the kwatimi be drew me nana. Decision making anything. So such a person is not easy. And obi nso atika sikeni bre. They are easy moved by the worldly things. Or who be ma wa 7 that e kemu kana bibi such a person, faithfulness is so hard for them to do. So, but listen, if you have self-control, self-respect, if you believe in what they call love, like sharing yourself with one person, faithfulness should be easy for you to do. I keep saying there is nothing more beautiful than so when you be and I'm only nipa bakon, I'm only nipa no bobra, only nipa ye bibiya boom. There is absolutely nothing wrong. There is nothing hard about it. Would be so much or before for attention on ya. I'm being honest with you. When you're so much in love with somebody, and it's an easy thing. Okay, I don't want to be biased because I know some men that are actually faithful like that. Or who about for crowd, baby, or by no one in a corner. Because not Jenny now one in a girl, so I'm not Jenny now one a boy. So it's not that difficult. Bema waha, I just shit. Bema waha, I said be to me to my man. I just want to skip it. Bema waha, so I will let you. I want to hear your side of the story. If you think more man, I want to ask this so. And man, is it so hard? And yet the mama said, "Mobe make a decision. Somebody no baba ko."
Oh, enyedin ba mama nchero ade bi ewiase na e wo no say ye kan me de bia me use word we say nko yo oba o enye nyamesom ana aba na kristo ne de enwa amana oba de nka hu se okunu ye nka awale ye kampna atwe na ye ka nti nka be me fo o guess na aba no kura ende say ye beka no kura oba mo beka no kura oba bia no o wiase ende a we nimpa be 100 esiwa emu be 60% epe na meka say omu 40% na obeka say omu ye omu etina be ma ba ko ah mimi agent am dey dan rent minim guess bi wo a edan na otim no esumo bi otu adan ne ka edan na rent you no nimpa na otu adan ne ka wo nimfie o wo nimfie o hwe esumo de osiesie dan nim TV fridge ne sa nyoma nyina esuno no esuno bi otutu a oto ne phone ye den e ma no entimba de o ukoma most of it no answer na sa faithfulness na ye pen beba no e bia obi asabe wonya mesuro ana obi o want tete because oka Isaiah Bible say emba ma ko nson 7 ebeba ebedwane aba be ma we say fa odin to meso me ameto me biane me amefidi me meto mentale me pese wodi to meso teke enti ka sa nyo mane de nke obagu eyade a ya kana beba mu ba de atini nyina nse ende wiase e wono ban ma o kana kure pa oba mba kakre bi ono mudeti be ma ba
enta me ka se age oba o ye sikeni bre oba katena ka se metena be ma ba ko ho ye ne den eti no ema wo ho am ye faithful ema mimbu say o miss goodness mimbu say o say same way say so do real love exist? It does exist. Although there are ema wo ho they actually emema wo ho do ema genuinely. Okay, there are girls that are fortunate enough to find good men. Once I can say emema pema emema they humanize near there, but I put it to you, there are good men out there. Emema papa for o show ba na ni ko oba obu oba or respect you oba oni oba ebi wo ho. It's just quite unfortunate say bebre na abodam bebre na yale nam kwa ho ho oba bi obefa onim se na treat you oba, but there are actually good men. There are good. Some girls have been loved great. Emma bi wo ho mo na emma tia, they are loving them the right way. Omonya sumdwe ye show mo ho oba mo so oba no say sometimes they say ye do obema wo ho do wi ya, it shows on you. There are men that are actually good. There are good love there. There are real love. Although miss, I'm fortunate. I found one. Wow. Oh yes, I found one. I'm lucky like that. I found one. There are good men out there because I promise you, I've been through hell. I mean, come here, catch me say, my papa, I mean, you need that. See, I was broken to the nonsense degree, and I'm not kidding. Just last year, it was horrible for me. For like a year plus, I was like, fuck it. Me who be man, I'm trusted Bema. Because maybe you'll be a man when I trust. I want to give you the benefit of the doubt. Say, you are good until you prove to me say you don't deserve my respect or you don't deserve my trust or attention. That's the realest. Yes. Be real. Yes. I'll give you everything. My trust. So I'm about to say, hey, now what they want about that man until you prove to, then I'll show you that I can be shaggy. But the point is, I just gave up on love. Like, what the hell? Until you meet somebody here, they will love you the way you've always wanted to be loved. They will respect you the way you want to be respected. So I keep telling women, say, listen, so obey my how, obey my title, say, you don't want to love a lady. Don't give up on love. Just pray you find the right man. And remember, but damn 10 cry, you will back home or your papa. And then remember, be an abodam. And remember, be why you have to see you when I'm prof worker. And remember, be what you show woman himself or so about me say cry. I was so kakafra. They will be my yatty or remember, baby, or why I know. A man also say, and to saw about or Baba could bet him up was saying, my 1,000 identity. Because one of the unfound was a Charlie life at the end or down Freddy, sir, or the shim. So such a woman will always make love look like it's horrible, but love is there. Healthy love, our I'll be better or buy the my dear or buy a children. Because of how near or your man,
sure,
the war treating, the war shine near there, they won't see us here. But a member be what they have the heart to love. So there is true love, there is real love. Or the power of papa. I'm not gonna lie to you. Son or the bonus war, son of my phone, son of my phone, and my baby cry your phone century. I keep saying, say, before Obama bet my German for fresh. Obama bet my German for man, so be sure baby woman. Or Banny bet my son perception about women. So the
son or baby to
perception of a man. It's there, it's natural. So just pray so ka obe nantie abo obra yi obe sonso wo ho na wabo mpa ye se nya me ma me nya dom bi na me so me fa nhia obi obe so me mo ama sa esu na masu ateti na mafam giving up na ma giving up on love no. Let me just experience love. I keep saying say if you are lucky you meet love early. If you are lucky you meet love in your mid age. If you are lucky you meet love late. Obi so ni ti in your sure dokra. So you just pray you find love at the right time. Pray love finds you when it's supposed to find you. Don't condemn, because I didn't over condemning you don't get it. You pray for it and you attract it. It is there. Although I'm sorry, there is love. I can't condemn love.
Yo, Mmpa.
Abay man. Odo de odo mu odu.
Sure.
See e ka se obi ka se odo a.
Yeah.
Ntam kese na waka ade kese odo de o ba endorse enya common endemrem ye regime we aye wono ye regime we wono sa love na ye hwehwe no endorse ezameka no we nimpa be tena emu trepe ene genuine because obi ezde de minu aba na ka no obi aboa obi bema bi aboa oba bi for the sake of love.
Okay.
Enyoma wa yama nimpa no nimpa ne de nsa esifom sa na oba bi susu ayama bema bi
na bema de nsa esifom
na bema susu de nsa esifom enti sa nkofo mienu we se we kosia obi fufura tracks ni nim on fandi no ba sa tracks ne onya affairs no
onya ne sa
nti wa nanka wo wanya ne hwe no na akoye pig back time obi pay u ba
yeah
ena na minu aba ne ka no wunyanya one nyamesuro de eye hwe odo obetumi ehie obi a obetumi aga se nti tsana ni post mesi we o ena de bia me ka se bible class ye nso anwu na hwe uyo oba wosia ba ema bi enoma bi ankoyie ebi affairs nti kanen wo shaase no na wo du sika nyina ana wo du nyina na wuram odo no ye mfa ye nyina wuram wo ye young girl wo ye young boy na wo hwe me wo tie me na mo nware ye na afi no ni obi wa me anya wa dwen se wo di 100% o me do 100% ye nware ye no sa dwen de me mfa nsuti hwe broken heart bebre bi aba akonfu bebre bi aye nkofo hyehyɛ omo nkonfu nyina esa anyoma no because anything can happen or you nimpa and I won't say bible o can Proverbs chapter 21 verse number 2 bible so nimpa hwɛ de wo ni so ba nya nyankopɔ aye de hwɛ de wa akoma hwɛ de bi ameka me gina say 57 see so me hu oba nse ne pen country ne say oba aye ma me hu amese me wale oda
ano crowd
minka bi ntro obi ada me de enza na ka o oyima won ya me fe me ni je ho de tin say once awo ogidi ni am ogidi ni ye nso ye won hwe
sure
enya me pe na se wo ye media
no abrabo na mo bo na keka ko na ekodu ho na ekodu
say na me ka in 2 years na because bible like say be ma di nani na ware oba di na so enti moment ameshia miss gunda asema me ka kire ne no edani edu baby na say me twi free asema na me share no ebo na me share no no pay me back
yes,
fresh you know guys over to iPhone na mama anya no think I want to nzambo me da no na video say dey bibia na Obofour sa na mbati na be ma so dey say wo hu se no mfo ye soso eto ye soso sa no mfo no hu ye no sa no mfo ne da de tim anu no hu ana wo sole make sure say ube maintain sa adenama no sa ahunfunu wo obi obaka tell sa ahunfunu no obi oboa ahunfunu dia o
because even mama no kwate dem krampo ahunfunu
ntokwa tumi bama
yeah
oba ma me se me ba me ni minua na me ni minua kaka nete hwe me di ma de to ase a me se me sole don na apie me ba no na de ne nda ho na mama ye late enti ni onu kro ye me ni film am ba ko ye nta ko ye ba de woni ametron enti ahunfunu de wo ye den ye ho ba de enti wo be nta wale for kro mo to na ahunfunu ba wo nta a sheda get oh babe me pese o kosira mommy enti jenioma we me to no ka unya hu sa signal ne pe ezo hu se
ahunfunu na
wo de can you imagine say be 1 month and 2 weeks unko boy ho moment abekọ no Sarri ni na a different attitude will be show bibia because why they wa feel ba what now hwe uko obi of motive ten or welcome you different
but what but so we are worry for na moti dem ba kuma e was say ahonfunu no ba you should find a way to go around it and say we ka say oh ahonfunu wo ho oh we yere ho timefunu be ma ne ho timefunu nti na dan na mamu ne na de ti dem ho
you
have to find a way and na no car me fa car me de ko be driver na catch me say oh no worry for 5 years ni before ne tam mo twempana kwa na mo do no cry ye decision chain time mo worry you know worry no to sometimes you know you are not in the mood although no it's not every day although no be wo so you always I say you always advise to build your relationship on friendship first like ayonkofa right friendship ayonkofa no wo muntema anytime although no cry ni wa like obi ahun afun obi no mo like you fall back on that friendship so friendship no be net bi eso mo I won't go kasane oba no anyhow because the when you were sharing at that moment it would be but more was a friendship between you guys at least the love is not there at that day no won't funny or don't but agro we wait me the agro chairman like you know you fall back on the friendship to hold to be a safety net but if you don't build anything on friendship boom to love when there is no an to marriage when dana what time as one or banning who you wish again who you wish wedding what are you going to do
then na me be the point to be ba hwe moment e wi asen de tin say ahonfun na e wo ni nechi no ye onkofo bi wo mo ba wa brabu ma ahonfun no no
da thank you
because the center na me won say ye ka unya experience ni bia na obemu de make an sanity because you ahonfun do obi obek me praise aden elder lawyer amwan usuwaka wa wale for 42 years o timi to no otumi for asido menya wadin say oba na obehunu na obeware no obe stadi akwa wiye we shi oba bia ho moment owo ba akopɛ na no ano no akono na wo mani nyina ayela because ebi a open no mfu ejina so owo ye no atiegu ba obetumia package no oba
in a way
obetumia package in the way ahun anytime bia woni boss wa etise first na ba obekọ beba wakọ aduma de way nya kapre obae na obegbo mu no oye na tiwa antuma na eboni mu bezi ambomu no for no tutu nya de won ze no for de bia ma menkyere bia menkyere show we so your no for type miensa
okay
e wo wiase no for your type miensa no for anu no eye run kakreka black no sa no for emu odu ohutu kura tinto emu obi aduane wo mu oni ba ne fo na ne po no etua ofia saa no fo no emu a into wo ba akopɛ na ato ene onu fo so a wo be nse ne po ni hyem eno anu ne akitua bi ba ne po ni hyem saa no fo so eno no obetumi a wo be de o ya be kasa akra ketua obo wa afi na obobo no fo enti ya be ma na so pese wo wale a na bia wo de no fo na wo pa mimi abai wo hwe mimi abai se ni otu a otum te ne de ne de anu black ni bi emu odu enti onu no fo mi hu da ba mi hu because of experience ani chanti hu no fo otum te no fo we o wo tu kula no fo
ne se de tie sa na tie
o nya mete o twa me sister de na ne de aketo na ehyem ni bi
ai na de no kore
keto na ehyem ni entu be se wa wo o wo kula be se so eduane ye de ewom ba wo de no wan konya wo de na akoye pencil ene piano into to make it short
to find a way to
to make it short so be package no wo jam gogo a the make to be on ma na won funu say 10 years 12 to 10 years ago na me dey tell lady bi was no secondary school anytime you obe mu me time obe ba ono me we adum that time na me oba bring shop wo be coffee no they be a different way na order to ke obe bopuru ni mu no obe oshemu obe loki obopuru anu we bebie obetumi aba no ose pant nwa onwo ye nufu mu odu onwo ye second na nufu jina to on hwehwe no ose pant nkwa obetumi aba no abobra ne ose
pant yeah up and down ni bi obetumi to aba no ase t-shirt no abobbo ne nsa no hwehwe.
What they said you see? Yeah.
Any time ya obe hunu bia no.
Ni person say ko hye say oni wukunu wo hwa ka ne say wukunu wa get
na ubo opunu ni mu atoto wa de ba ko obe enye to obe one star de bia o. Any moment bi obe bo opunu ni mu obe ba be bi no e wa de obe ye. Edisani pa woni ne tiwa. Uwe adwuma mkura obe wa adwen de. Esi ne so obe ba fi. Ba ye obi wa o. Wo be bo opunu ni mu kura no. Yes. Onu kura oba ma on tumi ni waba be bie ma we dey wa feel perfume na won won say makwa adwuma enti we bia wo de wo fi we dwale me dem wa enfifiri enti me ba na nkasa no wo wa ready on bed we dwale de bibia gugugugu on say echi ni waso echi enti say me bopunu na to biem na ha agimia ebi dey ewura mi winim e wona akwa me tumi de ma wansa na makwa ko dwale ba wo de no ya ba opunu ni ma wo ti baby
Wakaba, no we nani. No, it's that hard.
But say it's that perfume. So who dware anajo? I'm a type BSM me dware a. Me dware wi a na bo perfume.
Yes.
Na wo de ada. E no say be ma no ne kon ni sisi kwan ye na ne kon do so be di ukra po a.
Oba ma ma nka asem hwe ye wo ba bi wo ahun. Ye o ma ni bi wo masa o mo ba wo ahun. Hwe obetumi efiri wa akọ. Na so
perfume na so wo dem ho.
Wo de wontimi.
Ye obi o nso ane na da wo. Wo ne da wie na ne ho ne wonya ba wi ahun. Be shit no. Wontimi da so. Aso obobo no de kwehye.
Wontimi.
Obo ho ka hon. Ewi ase no. Se ne obe ye ho no. Sa ne be de.
But even if you don't have money, so be bo ho ka to perfume expensive one e be de. Listen, you will normal cheap
15 cedis or 7 cedis squad there wo ho
that are nice.
Shekiti bi aba. Anu ase ai. Anu ye na papa.
Nice. You just use it. Papa like it's seductive. And yes or can keke trust me it's very seductive.
Ampo. Hwe o dware wie no. O de fa waso achi unufu ase.
Yeah.
Like ukochi ha because that is a bia wo da. What da no ho say. Na be even when I be run hunu mu keke no.
Me say oba ma hwe se wo ye be ma na so ye obi a wo use sa ne o ma na me say utumi na mabonte oba to me approach.
Yes, oba to me ka say boy me nya na ka me fa no.
Sa pefu no so me nya nya bi ba me de konko na mo obi so o fa fa bi me hwe me na ma me ko program ya me twam. Madam do twam no sa baby time say grandpa for o pefu ni di say. And she
it's normal. It happens.
Unless obebe Mmpa no.
So that means say ya man no ya ho siesie. Ana epa mo yes ana mema na Emma cheating and doors.
Almost was bon. They don't. Oh, it's true.
Yeah, it's true.
Was bomb boxes. Nine. They feel like a man on corner was almost who know. A man also have a problem. Dara peja wokwate na wo hwe wase twitwi ho true mo call wo hwe like the balls that line in between the it smells twitwi ho be ma beti ma she boxes 4 days 5 days don't sign adam
it is say oba it is say wase a sa
is there
oba ma je
it is there
sample for now ma je boxer say boxer oya box oya oba oya oba oya be ma hwe obi a o hye sa ne o ma 2 days 3 days kula 2 days kula Sani Mmpa na wonso ye onyandu adult age.
Won say ya wo kan sana che.
There be oba ma.
Adult age. Who say mema o mani o 20 ahe o nche boxes 3 days.
Oh there be ina ye kan adult age. Obi a o hwe oba ma. Enye age no age is just a number. Unya ka say wo twempna o. Wo ya wa din say wo twempna. Empna twen no. Eye school.
Na me pa
maybe one say maybe on ma empna twen mo crap on omo boxes no mo share 3 days.
That's what I'm trying to tell him.
Don't say no. Tie na me ka say oba ma Sani Mmpa no opema mbisa afo ni bi.
Opema mbisa afo ni.
And mama wa no listen there are remember be what they feel like they know too much. Oko correct no oko change so baby wash and you change it and never shall they change it. Or if listen you're being not there are some men who don't listen. Like you don't know. Don't act like you don't know.
No, me say there be na me tro say some of your uncle.
There are men that are not doing a man for no.
They are doing young girls. So amu brazy mu
yes, they are doing young guys, but no feel say 2 days. Measure my boxes 2 days. But doesn't know say 2 days. No first day na wash na we the second day. No, that second day smell can make your also wasibon.
Same thing I me set example bi ama wires.
Enye mama for no.
Enye mama they make can say ti. The means example now me setting say hwe we won say play man enye play man in yonko ni sika ni
sure
oh we dey there
enu na me make
I know say no obi a yes
obi a won say ti obi hwe o ka say we ye be ma no chance say so person who date sa high class ladies like you people now massa who bondo
so be boxes me ensa
who bondo Masa, yeah, chasing let near the class all by ya bell.
Share
Because one every any couple. Every I swag be now with the DH. And any time you are not make it sure say we can be a try it you.
You look clean. No, you have to look clean.
Yeah, you have to look clean.
It is a way of them and then I make us say your Nkomo you are school no after no mobile school. And
yeah, come
Obama, Oba Bia, after watch us see a dinner one. Yeah,
no, lifestyle.
Oba obi sha se di nu du baby no obomu degree.
Be wa hu bebre nim se no mo keep o mo ho mo kito mo ho yiye e bi wo ha ye nipa ko no ni edi ne ho no o kire no obi won so ye na fofo no ni o mo nam no she learn from it obi wo kwa na wofo nim se obi buy dey was starting the be mother into onye sa awofo no ye kai no o kire wo se ne obi siesie wo bebre nso ntimi o mo hu se o de ne ho ka be ma it start to give you a smell on your body. I was ukita who say na one na odo
because when you say ye can be man na ye can be man in ma bi wo ho no ma ye twa so nwi no do you know say when cleaning hu ya so only be man na be ma da os no ne oda
na sense
ne boba because obu ni mu panya no na e bofa
another fire ganga ze was so far na wini esi
and it's so embarrassing
esi kwa west who esi a na what smell wo na be ma no wase woni penetrate no
oti
it's the baddest smell ever enkafa an kwa dey say em from my boko esi na ginam ja
eno nti se mba no me dey bia me ka se me dey bia me kuma mba no because mba no uni sika lokoto spray kolebu powder wo ho ni hia se wadwale
wo dey ka sanka
na mba be
o dey ka twale ifa wa motuo na wadwale a wo bop kolebu powder wo kon
wadwale wi akama
okon ne unufu asi o rekoda ho no so kwatumi attract be man man den ohun se me but obi won mo ja ne ho jege oware ni o bo ja ne ho jege je so nim se ne kunu okokra na oba na ne twebon kra e na yiri nti no obedi ne sa no
say one day we ask say you obi wa me ka se de bi am say be ma bi obedi twa wanu num fo no no ndi twa
ampa o
hwe abla wo sha se woni obi beda enye fiti pleko pe na wo de ko na se o etumi cha ase won se echi omo maso
me so me pen I like sucking the hand
the fingers
na me sucking
oba ma wo ko promote we da menum na mtachire man na muze ade na ebi
it's true unim romance
oba ma me de beku o
na wo
eflu me mas oh na mama you know na waso endu bense me hwa oba ne ye nyanya ehwe no ya titiri nwa na wuti da me so sei na me ma cha se ehwe waso me wo you asu ma tono me koto mo kakere kesi wo endu bense me chwa to na mu ze ya because ye be cha se am de man
we touch ma be fa
na ba ko felisa
me di be bom endu bense me judge me yi wo ina wie a mu ze bibia no na afide me se eduma no e kwa na bi because ye invite pleko pe e me ka se o wa wrong dabi
yo mpa show me bo arefo ai maka chemo se ye nchia no se wo fra eye dia empason komo ana se empason komo ni aje wo so eye dia ai me bie phone lines ni mato ho fre na che wa dwen enti no adofo mon frɛ na nea wo no asɛm a wo no busa na yɛn kyerɛw na nu nti na yɛ wa ha yɛ numbers di nie 059 76 433 85 mon frɛ sa number we ya 059 76 433 85 059 76 433 85 dia Passon Nkomo. Yo, fresh, ye gusu tie o.
Oba man tisanete o ye oba ye wo nyoma bi o wa ho. Ye na ye na sa nyoma we na ba.
Eba, sure.
Because ya wale we wie. Wa wo ba ko ya so ka we wie. Ento ni be ma ne bete. Be oni ni mpre romance bia. O kwa o de o da o. Na bi ye.
Hello.
Eni sani o man etwam hwe agro na mo ne sha ase no fe ne sa ko sie wie ye kempra ne de eno de oba me wa sani wa wo ba wo di bebi o ya hye oba agim wo di
hello hello young pache
you should always find a way to spice up your relationship.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Me pacho Jun TV ne kakra na tie o phone ni.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening. Dia. No, I just Passon Nkomo. Yo. Order for me, it's you.
Because free. Yama kompi age.
Okay.
Really beche. Ekwe mwafo.
Pacho it's you.
Ekwe mwafo mwe bekala ndio katile mande mwa. Ndio.
Sao. Cheye bibi osi etwemu afọ no udi ede.
Okay.
Cheye bibi. Pacho yetie o. Me pacho mo fra. Mo lo mu fidie di kakra ma ye wai. Na mo ntie mo ho e wo phone ne so. Me sua mo pa. Yo,
I afford yes, honestly, because war ban no will try for you now. You're dry, you do a send day. And now,
hello,
one Sasha ho.
Hello,
hello.
And then the network ne high kakra. Acha mo fra mo jina baby ye my kakra.
You always have to find a way to spice up a relationship. Send a masha see from the beginning.
Hello. Passon Nkomo.
Yeah.
Di dia. If I try to phobia ni.
I try to be gift me first me share camp.
Me pacho ye tio kakra. Obofour.
E pacho me about cheating.
Pacho, my tio kakra say yen tio kakra.
It's about cheating.
Okay.
I want to ask a question.
Okay, please do.
Please, what is a man to hack a lady's WhatsApp?
Pacho say busabi yen sheda ante kasa ni ye.
I said what to make a man to hack his girlfriend's WhatsApp.
To hack?
Okay.
Yes.
To hack his girlfriend WhatsApp.
Insecurity.
Because my man hacked my WhatsApp. So if every mistake that I do, he listen to it.
Oh.
Okay.
That means insecurity.
Has there been a problem between you guys? Has he ever found you or caught you cheating or anything?
No. Next time I called him, he said he's busy. I'm busy. I am busy.
So he's never caught you cheating on him? You don't have...
I never cheated on my man.
Okay, you don't have issues about... He's not insecure about you?
No, he never had any cheating on him, nothing like that.
And does he do anything that you suspect him of cheating?
Say that again.
Does he do anything that you suspect him of cheating?
Yes, several times. But when I asked him, he said he's not doing anything.
Okay, so you have evidence, but he doesn't have anything against you about cheating. And he's not accused you of anything.
And he has hacked the account, the WhatsApp account.
Yes.
Then it's insecurities.
Yeah.
That's a man who is insecure. Because on one kasana or no because
On
according to the
yes.
government cheating. And on boom a hacker girl on the phone.
Aye.
Because of the end.
Oba ma, the American say won. Me many obi di nkomo. Me ne di nkomo sa be 2 years. Nti one day on fana adwuma meda. Nti ze adane adanfo. Me ko on nche no.
Hello.
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 Hello, good evening.
Good evening. Person Nkomo. No I just so dia. Person Nkomo.
Dear.
Yo, Obofour ye tio.
Actually, me the unit.
Okay.
About cheating side, no. Now me person me can be cry found.
Okay, Pacho ye tio.
Because me a girl be one, not only them be one. And now into coca cry this be one time. And all that na ye ho fi. And you know, na me egg boy be. Esa be you know me chat ya ye ni. Into coca fan eki. And na boy na ta coca share be man na oni me ya no ho ne say. Me ni we ada. And see them man time buy ebe part on us you. The area after only now want to know or find Jinadi. And I mean, my mother say, I said they were who bigger because Ube Jina Kui, I quite say could share that one.
Yeah.
As if they are Ubeka say after all, who from a Chidia and Chedea and Kamani Banning Town Call and I think you on the tsunami. The one is so daddy. On time down on an incident. And to sister, and then they say, I be a boy in a Bruno because of cheating now, what means. And to me, media, I don't think it will work.
Yeah.
No, it wouldn't.
It won't
Because
work.
as far as that, Bemano, when who talk about the Chinese, you always use it against you.
Obekayo. Either say or bo, and I say
You
or
Obekayo.
now mbakra be
Won't
sofa.
work. Yeah.
Yeah, so
This is
cheating the
suggestion.
banner dia no and work it. It say obi akọ in separate ways.
Oba ma the thing is
One was sorry, but it's honestly to
Asem.
Second issue I really want to talk about because
Aki na o.
Yeah.
The thing is if we are saying can ne papa ma. As I said me dey bia meka. Me ne wo twempena. Ya twempena du baby a e ya adane aware. Wait me dey mafum ya.
Hello.
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 Person Nkomo. Hello.
Dia. Obofour be ni.
Nkomo.
Dia.
Mmpa Nkomo.
Dear. Obofour it's your kakra.
Nkomo. Kaseti Abrekuma.
Okay. Me pacho you. Obofour.
Eze de na meka no. Se ye yatena edu baby be 2 years ya adane awaria. Betumi de me phone ama. Betumi use me phone. Betumi use phone. What did you mention? Me ko bi aba pick.
Okay.
Chenze bia obetumi me phone ne wo.
That means the trust is there.
That is trust.
Trust.
Trust your banner.
Yes.
Trust. Is the healthy? Trust. Is the healthy thing to do.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Mmpa Nkomo.
There.
Oh, Obofour ni etio kakra.
Yeah, Rapita New, me fresh in Ankese Addison.
Okay. Pacho etio.
Yo, I say.
Yeah.
And I'm not coming there, na. Now, I'm making it say, what me, Papa? Yeah, Obabi Wohua, in fact, the who are Kono Ankasa said, Oba will send a coupoa. And be Pierre Muno say, well, who crown to me now? And now when you want to see it. Wow. Now, the wife with him of him, 22nd day. Ukraine says, I'm in no trance. Say, you see, I'm not pa, big carry, and some you are in India. Piano on your knees. And say, I'm not minute one. Ukraine say, and don't be compose say. I'm not a macro, ye be, I'm not a party, be, I'm not a people. I'm not a woman, you'll be out in the and I'm say, send your no sissy, send your Otibiano, which I say, I don't know, oh, man, oh, maybe all you need. And you know, I'm managing you. So some thing when I'm watching the Kaka, which you are meditating more, we have been some for you.
Oh. Nyame ma obi nyame ma ne o siesie ne ho saa oyi okọ bi a osunsu siesie ne ho saa de amount because ono ehye wanimonyam ne ahosiesie te se onye obi a so wa hye nanimonyam atena se na ahosiesie ho nti wan chiti da nyame sa ma obi why
Onze ewiase de tinte obi oba dem abi o.
Hello.
Good evening. Mmpa Nkomo. No I just so dia. Yo, mpacho yetie o.
Bacho, I'm sure the mission so I'm on your action bill.
Open action won't.
Yo.
Open sex positions won't.
Yo.
Mate. Yeah, share every Wednesdays and Saturdays. It's 50 Wednesday corner. Even more sex position now when you why?
I do.
You.
We are saying you will be any problem.
Because
also need your position.
Positions in the money relationship.
Yeah. No. About this hacking thing about a lady kind. Me, I keep saying, say it goes back to insecurity.
Sure.
Obana say be man in the furniture. They be on the furniture or no. Obanta maybe in the beginning say one man signs so we won't say maybe we oba want him trust. We oba maybe we are masem. We oba maybe one furniture that what's our problem now. Trust and new trust and I say. Until our person all hacking your phone. And now fresh a relationship more building to marriage dear. I was see having each other's passwords, having each other's phone should be everything easy.
Hello. Mmpa Nkomo.
That dear.
Yo, Obofour ni yetio kakra.
But you have me because I spin test.
Okay.
Person me kasa kakra cheating no.
Okay, pacho yetio.
Me so me obi a se me gana se me ro ho. Anytime be a me so ne mu na se wa complain. Anytime be a me hia ne bia na so ja ne ho ma me a. Me hu hia se me fa ko fa ne se bai. Mba bo anytime be a be so ne mu bia no I'm not in the mood. Anytime be so ne mu bia I'm not in the mood. And so ka ho party na me ma no omo cheating no.
Okay.
Okay. The man who's almost I don't know, motion so much.
Okay. That's pache da sepa. A man on shannons because so no partner or no, but so no, see, you're not in the mood. Why never man? Definitely, who piano so cheating. Yeah. 18 and also Monsha Maya Kakra, even if you're not in the mood. Obin can ask them say the cheapest thing on earth
is sex.
Yeah, or you're yeah. Because okochim no ba onu se na yire twa eden e wo ho ba se oba no be di na say mempene ma wonni mi a hwan na emfa ma no
o piano kwa
abonte kwa kodi
last year ka say even if you are not in the mood be man no yes or trying to find a way to satisfy him.
That's it.
And ma be man pia abonte da when you know he's honey I will hear because be ma de e na hwe be ma de move by what they see. Ne kwati abrem opetwa dia wan pa man okwa abonte
obenya bia di o
so be man no matter how you are not in the mood wa bra fa listen there are other ways to satisfy your partner hwe say ebi woni me bia wo so an ebe ma no ho aba woni me bia we mia woni me if you learn how to do blow jobs learn how to know where to touch him.
Hello,
find a better way to do it.
Hello.
What's so Nkomo
Ne adia.
yo da fo be ni etio
Ate from my university.
yo ba che etio kakra
I'm the kind of Mr. Constantine Kakra.
pacho feel free ne busa ye wa ha ma
I'm the same Mr. Say. I'm the same Mr. Say. Who do you all? Now, so forward. I find say, there is 3 months to 4 months. As a DM, you want to see 2 or so. And now, 1 hour now pretend. But I say, 3 months and up to 4 months in the you know, on the zone. Every day. If I say, after 3 months and 4 months, after the was out here, and more attention, yeah, the other. This is a day of a say, but someone like Mr. to be man asked. You from a person or Saturday, Obofour, about like more to
yo very fresh this say oh answer
blabeni tie me we ya bema we ya oba moment a oni obi wo a ma sha ase mu date ana ase mo de be kwa warim na hunse nimpa na kofa wachi a me de me ma dwen mu me nsusuem se wunya hu ya wuni ninjai wunya hu ya ono no se ne hu ofete se se ma no water one mo wi ase mu de no ni ninjai because who be ma no se who be ma na ko hu se oba no hu se wu fa ne chi a wu enya fe oba ye nkwan wu nchine nko tie me ye the America ne tie me ye wo ya be ma no be hu se wo yiri hu se wa fa ne chi wo ko ya de ma me we de me abaye bone ye nko ma no me nko de me nsa ye ja wale ye ko bebi enya sa oba ye nkwan wu nchine nko wo be ma ne toto uko hu so yiri afọ weti na kwaya me ma ne mbegu abeg bia era oban mo de muni ninja enye sa wo ne da wa na dubi anase mo bedi mo e na wo mo brujo obi na be sini trim na waka okwati efiri so
na ne esi wakọ awo saba na chese bia okọ no anye yanko ye nti no saba wo fata you deserve good love you deserve oba obedowa na adwumu nye ntanta so obekọ asaba wo nchen wo nye second hand baby awako no ehwo anko yeye nti na osaba wo nchen no and in the back she doesn't deserve you anyway and then he fresh eka no masa woni obate na oba no woni nam woni ne bobra na makosi baby a wo hwe se ekọ awarie mu na okofa wachi a abeg ben bia ne wo we mu forget no don't take her back obeda adawo the fedefe no oda adawo obwa baby okọ ne yabo na to atwene wakan se wo ho wo ye papa wo akomapa wo do no nti obeye den dia wo beje ne back don't do it don't take him back the hair back say dey
Mmpa say what in your mo ka chiro
don't take her back no let me see we feel
and designer here unya hunu pe because hwe mba oba wo de mbra ne is dabai Wednesday ne yeka hwe de Dilala de something. Oba mo pretend. Hey, amba. Woni ne ti ade hye pa. No waye di na chini mu. Endia obetumi akọ oda wa maati wo. Oda wa maati. E na ba be si di tri.
Na wa yo bone.
Fom form and so many and Anton and Eku
share
and the one in the wall now you won't say Una or Nacho say orphanage or buy my pacho can tell me I know the attend we are or their uncle Namunko Jai but we are one yes a different and chilling a different
much more deal Oba so be yawa Oba more ding
what I can do, America, Oba was Shanun will be beer. Omra Messlau. No, a tutuma, no, about. Wouldn't say mistake. I remember and say, you're no man to that we are any a duck on you.
Some one son.
Young son, I say, would you my grandpa family phone now? Because men don't mean to mean give up. Me give you, master. Madame, oh. Enti me ni beti no na bia wa lock me sa me de medan why me pasa a lock de ko enti wo ko no make sure say obamu ani ada ho because sanda no da sanda na on phone so be friend x e mo ma ba be park no ma de kan eko edu na wo sa no ma na wo ni njai me ko ye na nko nkwase awo e me be man sia mefo adaka Emma wake pias will be some coaching Shannon Demundino. No, and you check condoms. Let me say, now, me boy, I don't know who are condom no show. I don't know, say, was one found me here. You, it matter a dear win young. And I know, you know, Casse, you me a bema a papa no cano. Sure, Mamma be the hair and say, ye natum. Yeah. Mini be America. Me won't so be shit hotter. I am a fit. Nwo obi ase club wear bi no a share skirt bi anani nika bi na ne mfuma yi da ho na bi apoda kakra bi shentima oba ma ti me dey say me ebia me yourself me ma won fam pia bonti ba dem won dey because once am hu obi dey do me ko that's it e dey na be pa say we dey jam say na ne pu yi tue pia talim say
we na ya ma
fe yeah
oh hu obi dey dia hu abonti ana okwan do wo yele kwasha se wasai
why na yes sir
hu ya so yele eni ma ahusiesie be biem
Jana mani panisiesie no ho
ade abonti na wa kasa to bi bra obai ma santal we say sa first sa dress na ne chika krekan me fia me timi unte nkofo bi sit makuma to me yame ya enem ni be share sa dress na yen tik that time near ma me mo ene na na mo no mo de bo amonsen ana no mo de bo ye wo dress bi okra ni mpa na be shakula onro e kwa ne da
tia ne da de bi da ho tia wo tumi ebie sa to
bi wo
na wo de room
wo de shame
no abom easy as this
you know what to mutian who are
to say show na ye da my brand so ya be oh yo bi say and now ma show ya kasa no ho aye da ma ye bie kwan to ho a anka nkofo be fra because ye nti omo na ye ye da mu nyina say ye say you people are teaching them a lot more than ma empathy omo relationship no omo warrior you people are doing so well. I mean, shramu. People mo cho. Mo last words. But future kakramba mo mom. Say, almost sound share Wednesday because they besan ba Wednesday. Omo nkoswa no mo hwe program mi. Mmpa so Nkomo. Na eniema kese na dey bro mo. We couple dey say susua because they chiro ma mo masua say dey o maintain mo mo say oba bi fa won anye small boy and I say house boy. Na oba bi so fa oba ma bi so fa won koye house girl e wo fie because san say unim ahu siesie but say unim ahu siesie pa na unim say de o carry wo ho a menye sure say be ma no obetwe nani ahwe obi ama cheating cry den abem enti me pamocho you that if Mr. Fresh o last words anyway future we catch am
me nuanom be ma ne me nuanom ba mo hwe me mu tie me e future be man say e wi ase no yesi baby a anwumtofo no ebo pampa no na wo mum na ne o ma papa fili ewi ase na asesa saye na nanem tamba jimimbre no na okwa no akoda wo na odi asim na etwam sese nioma bebire aba wude wunim hwe kwa odi download egu phone so o ana wo hwe o ana yesua me ko ma akula kitikiti bi enkoju kunu mfiri nsem me ma akura kitu bi enkoje we boy influence him and ana sabi we ejimi for because sa atwa no wo twani bi sa no mfo no wo bi sa no ma akita no enu bi ano de ma but because what the quantity different say obetumi ama ni burujo also ma ni burujo
was say any time
metane me piguns any year woni mkula che oh mimi ni obi ano asade no kakra kra ka no a no wa 40 to no paper one day bi me wo ba na me 2 ya na me sira na nim eno an anya ni nya biem won enyo mo we nyina beboa e ma wo mpra twen ne wa ware edimu nti ebetumi etintim nti yesere mo masa enyo ma ne computer word ne computer word mo ma ne di ya mpra twen ya ware mu entintim ma me di ade Joseph Otu edi adodo na ade from your fresh me agent me kwa solo elowe terminacle e was school e wa your office ye tia ya me so fu penimitiano apostle na nakwa me yeboa o esi o South Africa yin mse nyame boa next week yoba ye ko Easter convention obi amla me bobo ni bi ye ko bobo ye ko games into the wuni aduane o de bra aduane ne bibia e be ban flee na be bobo ni bi volleyball ludu o ware bibia o na bla ye damase na
acho wo do number betudwa
my telephone number is 0249 915877. My telephone number is 0249 915877. Edina fresh, Obo fresher, Obianimi, Ofra Bibi or Pebby Beboa. Why?
Yo, Miss Kunda, to Boni Bakopo Dayentim.
Amen. Dear family. Dear family, a time now.
A time now.
I will see your coin, then I may so dear BC. We are always grateful to God. They be Akosua A.K me. You can never be too perfect.
Sure.
Every day you have to learn new things. Surprise or boyfriend, surprise or girlfriend or wife. Show them that you are not boring. Find a reason to always make your husband rush home to you. Dress well, buy nice things, hot things. No judgment. Let him understand that you are trying to please him. Let her understand that you are trying to please her. Priority. I keep saying there is nothing out there. The vultures ma waninka wa menam ma waninka fie fie make your wife be good enough for you, make your husband be good enough for you. Please spice your relationship up. Saturdays and Wednesdays, learn something from this place. Always tune in, pick up 1 or 2 and activate it, work on it, master it till you get it perfect and you will be happy. Yes, Ramo. And then learn something and use it in your marriages. We love you all. The name is Miss Gundat and the number is 054-5947-964. 054-5947-964. Have a good night. We love you. Mwah.
Yo, ada funny etiefo. Edamu nyina ase. Edamu amo share yen Facebook live. Ene mo amutu bre etna TV echi ehwe yen. Edamu nyina ase. Mo koso ansua ne ma efi Mmpa so Nkomo. Cheers TV your #1 station. Men chim we fidie ni ent station bia because Cheers TV ye movies chemo, ye mama worship anopa, ye just say ye mama love and tight, ye mama bibia every day every night bia no, ye mama programs. It's men chim we fidie ni ent Cheers. Ye programming ye every Wednesdays and Saturdays 10:30 p.m. to 12 a.m. Every Wednesdays and Saturdays, 10:30 p.m. to 12 a.m. Order for you better share Wednesday bill. Na ya san to adwen. Na ye suade. Na ye tumpon. Ewa brabom. Ya wariem. Ene ye mpna twim. Eya hwan mo amodofo. Akosua A.K. Amede asem. Eba Ghana ha say. Mmpa so Nkomo. Eya dia. Ai, eya dia. makramo